nursery, we laugh and play.
Shani smiles with eyes so bright, soft as morning's gentle light. Twin buns dance when she runs free, laughing loud like melody. Her tiny freckles glow with cheer, every heart feels warm and near. With her lavender dress that sways, Shani brings the happiest day. Khan's big heart, Khan's footsteps bounce with joyful sounds, spreading giggles all around. His spiky hair, his days full of brim, shows the magic he holds within. With his blue shirt shining bright, he fills the world with sunny light. Khan runs fast, he jumps so high, like a star up in the sky. Roll the Hand in hand they love to play. Shani laughs and leads the way. Khan jumps in with happy cheer. Together